going to make some moist, delicious, vegan pumpkin muffins. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abigail, this is Emery, that's Aaliyah, and on this channel I share with you guys some of my favorite tips and techniques, as well as recipes to help you with your homemaking project. If you're new or haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel and hitting that notifications bell so that you can see when I post my next video. So it is coming up on fall, and everyone is bringing out their favorite pumpkin recipes. So we wanted to share with you guys a vegan pumpkin recipe, and today it's going to be muffins. This is a super easy recipe, and as always, the recipe is in the description below, but here are all the ingredients you will need. All-purpose flour, pumpkin puree, brown sugar, almond milk, vegetable oil, baking powder, ground ginger, ground cinnamon, ground cloves, and salt. So this is super easy. You're only going to need one bowl, and we're going to start by mixing together all of the wet ingredients. So we're going to add our pumpkin. This is puree from a can. You can make your own pumpkin puree. You'll want 15 ounces of it. Even though it's not a wet ingredient, generally we add our sugar into the wet ingredients because it helps it all combine together. So we're going to add the brown sugar with the pumpkin, the almond milk, and the vegetable oil. Once we've gotten that pretty well mixed together, we're going to go ahead and add all of our dry ingredients and give it another good stir. So all-purpose flour, baking powder, and all of our pumpkin pie spices. So ground ginger, ground cinnamon, ground cloves, and our salt. Now, I'm doing this one. Now we're going to mix that really well, and then we'll bake our muffins. So here we have a jumbo cupcake pan with the large liners. You can do these in smaller muffins if you would like to. They will bake for a lot less time, so just keep an eye on them. All right, so we're going to scoop these until they're about 3/4 of the way full. Now we're going to bake these at 350 degrees for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. That's how you'll know they're done. Okay, our pumpkin muffins are done. They are fully baked and slightly cooled, and now we're going to try them out. You ready? Yeah? All right. I heard you.
I want the biggest.
All right, take the biggest piece. All right,
little stick to there. No, I want that one. Muffin, a pumpkin.
Excellent. All right, there you go, our vegan pumpkin muffins. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please go check out this vegan blueberry muffin. I'm sure you'll like that one too. And if you haven't yet, give this video a thumbs up, comment below because we would love to hear from you, and share it with all your friends. Hit that notifications bell and that subscribe button so you can see when I post my next video. See you guys next time.